Every revolutionary machine begins somewhere, and for Tesla, it begins inside one of the most advanced factories on Earth. Thousands of robots working in perfect precision, transforming raw metal into the future of transportation. Before a Tesla becomes a car, it begins as nothing more than sheets of raw metal. With thousands of tons of pressure, the first real pieces of the car finally begin to take shape. Every Tesla begins its journey here, where raw materials first arrive at the factory. Thousands of kilograms of aluminum are carefully transported through the factory every day. Before production begins, every material must pass strict quality inspections. Inside the factory warehouse, tons of aluminum are carefully organized before production begins. From storage to production, the raw metal now begins its transformation into a Tesla. Welcome to the stamping shop, where flat sheets of metal are transformed into the body of a Tesla. Each metal sheet must be positioned with extreme precision before the stamping process begins. With thousands of tons of pressure, the metal instantly takes its final shape. Within seconds, powerful machines create perfectly shaped panels for every part of the car. Every curve and detail is engineered with incredible precision. These metal pieces will soon come together to form the skeleton of a Tesla. Now the real transformation begins, as robots start assembling the skeleton of the car. Each weld must be perfect. Thousands of connection points hold the car together. Piece by piece, the skeleton of a Tesla finally takes shape. In perfect synchronization, hundreds of robotic arms build the car's structural frame. With millimeter precision, robots connect every piece of the car together. Thousands of welds later, the skeleton of the car finally stands complete. Now the Tesla finally has its full body structure, ready for the next stage of production. Tesla uses one of the most powerful casting machines ever built, the Gigapress. Molten aluminum heated to extreme temperatures is prepared for casting. With enormous pressure, the molten metal is transformed into a single solid car frame piece. In a single cast, the Gigapress creates a massive section of the vehicle's frame. This innovation replaces hundreds of small parts with a single strong structure. At the heart of every Tesla lies one of the most advanced battery systems ever built. Thousands of tiny battery cells work together to power a single Tesla. These cells are combined into powerful modules that store enormous amounts of energy. Multiple battery modules are combined into a single powerful battery pack. Complex wiring and cooling systems ensure the battery operates safely and efficiently.
Once assembled, every battery pack undergoes strict inspection and testing.
The battery is mounted beneath the vehicle, forming the foundation of the car. Before painting begins, the entire body must be carefully cleaned and prepared. A special coating protects the metal from corrosion for years to come. Robotic painters apply each layer with incredible precision. Layer by layer, the car receives its signature Tesla finish. The painted body is heated in special ovens to create a durable finish. Now the Tesla finally begins to look like a finished car. Now the empty shell begins to transform into a fully functional electric vehicle. Thousands of electronic connections power every system inside the car. The car's brain, the Tesla touchscreen, controls almost everything. Comfort and technology meet as the interior components are installed. The powerful electric motor is finally connected to bring the car to life. Before leaving the factory, every Tesla must pass a series of advanced quality tests.
Advanced scanners ensure every detail meets Tesla's strict standards.
From raw metal to a machine of the future, this is how a Tesla is born.